Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Steph Storm, and this is BrainSTORM, where we share creative ideas for interior decorating, event planning, and lifestyle. In this video, I'll be showing Lemon Decor summer tablescape ideas with at least 3 variations on how to set the table for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, featuring lemon dishes from the Dollar Tree. My personal goal for this video is to get a thumbs up for every single view. So I'll need your help with that. Are you with me? Great. Grab yourself a cup of tea and let's decorate. The breakfast tablescape. Our first layer is a lemon yellow table linen on a 60-inch round table. The linen is 120 inches and this is where it hangs. I'm adding this bright, cheerful lemon runner from Amazon down the center of the table. I know it's just breakfast, but we can still be fancy with our gold chargers from Dollar Tree. And of course, our lemon plates from Dollar Tree. A lot of people have these plates, so I hope this video gives you fresh ideas on how to style them. Since this is breakfast, we'll add our lemon mugs for coffee or hot tea. These green apple colored napkins and lemon napkin rings are from Amazon. I think this setting would look even better with gold flatware if you have it. It's on my list. You can also add in the Dollar Tree juice glasses. For centerpieces, I'll show a few options. By the way, I like to set the table as if I'm actually going to use it, not just for display or decorative purposes. So you will see that the decorations are not going to be too large scale that would disrupt your view from speaking to the person across the table from you. Here's option number 1, a small grouping of 3 things. Another option for a centerpiece is to use the actual food that you will be serving for that meal. As long as the food is color coordinated and fits your theme, it will look very intentional. Treat your guests with something special, like local honey or homemade jams and jellies. The last option I'll show for a breakfast centerpiece is to use this 3-tiered tray. Boy, you could have a lot of fun with this one by filling it with all of your breakfast condiments and all your lemon decor. Now let's set the table for lunch. For this setting, I thought we'd go a little more casual, a little more rustic, a little more farmhouse. We're starting with the same yellow table linen, but now we're going to add a rectangle gray colored tablecloth that's folded in 3, used similar as a runner. I found this runner on Amazon and I love it because of the gray color and the wood grain background. In place of chargers, I'll use this specialty paper from Hobby Lobby as placemats. Look how well this goes together. I'm going to switch out the napkin color to yellow and use these wood look napkin rings I found on Amazon. You could put the napkins on the side, or you could put them on the plate like I have here. We'll swap the glasses for a tall glass of lemonade or water with lemon. For a centerpiece, I'll place this boxwood wreath as a base. In the center, I'll place a metal bucket wrapped in twine. Use it as a vase to fill it with cotton or any type of sunflower of your choice. These are super cute to use too, especially if you were setting up your table outdoors. For a little extra whimsy, I'll lay down these artificial lemon slices and add in some fun drinking straws for our beverages. Another option for your centerpiece is to use this cute little lemon tree, a Dollar Tree bowl for your lemons and limes, and an old-fashioned pitcher for your lemonade. If you're enjoying this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let's see if we can get at least 100 likes on this video. And stay with me all the way to the end because I want to give you a bonus tablescape. It's time for dinner. Now we're going to darken things up and set the mood with this black table linen. Add in this gorgeous black and white striped lemon table runner from Amazon. I'll use these large tropical leaves for placemats. Using the same lemon dishes, we're getting a totally different look. This time we'll use white linen napkins and place them in our wine glasses for extra added dimension. You can add a little ambiance with candles and a bottle of your favorite wine. Here's how it looks when we dim the lights. And this is the current backdrop of how my dining room shelves are styled. As promised, I want to show you my bonus special occasion tablescape. For those who are planning an intimate gathering, this is the table set for 8. It can be used for a wedding, an anniversary, a bridal shower, whatever you choose. I realize not everyone has a 60-inch round banquet table set up in their homes, so it's hard to get a visual of what your tablescape would look like when it's set up for a special event. That's how I can help. Send me your theme, your color scheme. I'll put it all together for you so that you can see what it's going to look like ahead of time. And now I'd love to hear from you. In the comments section below, tell me which of these tablescapes was your favorite. Did you like breakfast, lunch, dinner, or special occasion? And share with our community if you have another color scheme that you think would look good with this lemon decor. What's the old saying? When life gives you lemons, make lemonade and decorate with them. Come back and see me next week for more ideas on interior decorating, event planning, and lifestyle. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.